This is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Vintaj Patina and Glaze on the Nunn design hammered rings. Now this technique can be seen in the Nico rings done by our designer Carlin. She did two here, one with the jet and one with a turquoise, very beautiful. And these are actually what they look like when they come blank. These are the Nunn design hammered rings. And these are actually sized. We carry size 6, 7, and 8. For this project, you're going to need some Vintaj Patina. I have some here in the Verdigris. You're also going to need the Vintaj Glaze metal sealer and patina extender. I'm going to be using a Vintaj relief block. And then you're going to need 2 separate paint brushes, some paper towel, and if you choose, a pair of latex gloves. So let's get started. So once you have your latex gloves on, we're going to go ahead and do our patina first. So go ahead and shake up the bottle and pour a little bit onto your paper towel here. And we're going to take the ring and just go ahead and put it on your finger there. Take your first paintbrush, get a little bit, and now all we're going to do is just sort of sporadically make some dab marks all around the outside of the ring. And you want it to look kind of sloppy, you know, just sort of make it look really nice and aged, like it was just, you know, you found it at the bottom of an ocean. Okay, so now I have that done. I'm going to quickly take a paper towel and just kind of rub some of it off and just really give it that fun aged look. So now I have the patina on my ring, and before it dries completely, I'm going to just use my Vintaj relief block and just kind of buff a little bit to just get some of that shine out of there. And it'll be really nice and kind of give it that beautiful marred look. There we go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to let this dry for just a few minutes. The patina dries very quickly. It's actually almost dry, but I'm going to let it dry for a few minutes before I come back and add the Vintaj Glaze. So now I'm ready to add my Vintaj Glaze and just shake that up a little bit. And I'm just going to pour a little bit on my paper towel here. And now for this step, you are going to want to use a fresh paintbrush. And so just go ahead and dip the tip in your glaze there. And you're just going to lightly dab it on there. You don't want to mess up your patina. And this is just going to help you just seal in that beautiful color. And just sort of rotate. And just work your way all the way around the ring. And this will actually also give it just a very nice shine. And just sort of complete the look. There we go. Happy with that. Now carefully going to remove it and set it down so that can fully dry. So now you see I have my completed ring and it has a nice sheen to it. And I think it looks really cool. It's very fun. It's very aged. And by putting it on your finger, you'll keep the patina from the inside. But if you wanted that look, you can see that here on Carlin's rings. And again, these are the Nico rings featuring the Nunn design hammered rings. They come in size 6, 7, and 8. And I just used the Vintaj Patina and the Vintaj Glaze to give it that really fun aged look. And all of these supplies can be purchased at Beadaholique.com.